Hey gang, it's Mr. Scholl here, reporting from Reading, Pennsylvania. I hope you guys are doing well down there in Chester County, keeping safe and getting ready for our next adventure here into online learning. So just had a little webcam first before I get started. I just wanted to give a little introduction just to welcome you back to class, and hopefully you guys have been doing well, and let's take a look at what we're about to embark on. So what I decided to do was to ask you first, what do you remember? No, I'm just kidding. We're not giving you a test. Any case, there's no test today. There's not an assessment coming for a little while. So first of all, just relax on that. So I'm going to take away my part of the screen, and now we're going to open up the rest of this. All right. So what we actually have going on here is what really do we remember? All right. So we were working with right triangles. We just got done finishing up some similarities with the triples and going from there, and working with the 30, 60, 90s and the isosceles triangles. So you had some review exercises to do while we were away for the first 2 weeks. Hopefully that's fresh. I do need to assess you on that, but that's not happening at this moment in time. So no announcement on that. However, we are about to move into the next group, and the next part is trigonometry. All right, we are now going to bring you into looking at those fancy things. So what is it that you're going to need in order for that to happen? Well, first of all, you're going to need Schoology. You're going to need a notebook. All right, I will be asking you to upload pictures of your notebook following exercises and activities, so I can give you credit for taking good notes and keeping track of them. And I can make sure that you actually have the information that you need to do the work. And you will also need one of these. All right, make sure this thing has the buttons sin, cos, and tan. All right, there across it. All right, if it does not have one of those three buttons or any of those buttons, we're not going to be able to use that calculator. So you don't necessarily need to use that one. As a matter of fact, maybe you guys want to use your graphing calculator. More than welcome to. This is the one I'll be using during videos, so I will have the sin, cos, tan here features ready to go, and this will be recorded for you so you can watch. Okay, so that's certainly something you need to collect and find for your arsenal. I will give you a link to a graphing calculator online if you need to download one for your computer. However, you should have a one physical somewhere. All right, so you can do assessments moving forward, not just for me for this year. Okay, so in Schoology, the other thing we're going to be using, let me flip back to Schoology here. The other thing in Schoology, you're going to see my Zoom schedule. So my Zoom schedule, when you click that link, it's a live link. It actually shows you all the fun stuff, when we're scheduled to meet, and that kind of information. So you can see in here that we have a scheduled meeting tomorrow already, Monday the 30th, not that you're seeing this today. We have that, and we'll meet again at 12:30 again on Thursday. Now you can meet at any of the other ones. If you need to jump in, go ahead. I will just be answering questions from the other classes first, and of course there's one here that's marked for any class that you can. I'm always available via email, so feel free to email me through Schoology or my teacher email directly through Outlook. Either one will work. All right, and to join my Zoom meeting, all you have to do is click that link there. Takes you right in, takes you right over to the meeting room, so you can see how quick and easy that goes. All right, and that takes you right now, and I'm a host, so it takes me right in and says, hey, how do you want to get started? You won't get you'll see my picture like that or a live feed from me. Okay, all right, any case, so that's the technology end. What is it that you need to do from cleanup? All right, last but not least, I have it listed in the middle here. Check your grade status. All right, some of you were missing assignments before we went on hiatus. Check for those I's in the Power School. Some of you didn't do the reviews over the last 2 weeks. Check those. They might be I's. One of them is an enrichment sheet. Totally fine. You don't get, there's no punishment for not doing the third one. But the first two, you need to get those done. They are your reviews for your next assessment on 9192, which has not been declared a date yet. Okay? So, without further ado, I'm going to close this video off. Thanks for watching. And we're going to then jump in. So what do you need moving forward? You need your notebook. You need a calculator, you need a pencil, you need an open mind and ask some questions, and be ready for when you need anything to jump into Zoom or with me with an email. All right, See you guys in the next video.